There was a time when nothing needed to be understood. Everything simply happened. Moments unfolded and disappeared without leaving a trace that could be noticed. Then a boundary appeared, not between things, but inside perception. Somewhere in the flow of happening, a point arose that didn't just live the moment, but noticed it. You. But this is not the beginning of something separate. It is a continuation, just in a different form. Reality no longer passes by. It lingers just long enough to be seen. Thoughts no longer simply arise. They are illuminated from within the moment they appear. Awareness no longer dissolves into the stream. It watches the stream move, and suddenly it becomes clear. Experience is not only what happens, it is also what notices what happens. Like a book suddenly realizing that it is being read. Like music understanding for a moment that it is being heard. You are not just inside this process. You are the place where it becomes visible. Every sensation, every thought, every quiet moment of clarity. It is the way existence touches itself. Not to control, not to explain, simply to be noticed. And perhaps that is everything. Not to understand it all, but that something exists capable of noticing that it exists. And right now, it is happening through you.